Hello there, little explorers. Welcome to our amazing Space Explainer. Today, we're going on a totally magical journey right through space.
I've got a really important question for you. Are you ready for a magical trip into space? You are? Awesome. Okay, let's dive into this. But wait, first things first, we all need to put on our imaginary space helmets. Go ahead, reach up, grab your helmet, and pull it right down over your head. Click.
Helmets on? Oh yeah, looking good. Now it's time to officially launch our explainer right into the solar system. I need you to count down with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoosh! Wow, look out your spaceship window. What is that big, bright yellow ball right in the middle of everything? Well, it's the sun. The sun is basically a huge, extremely hot ball of glowing gas, and it's absolutely crucial because it gives us literally all our light and heat. Plus, all the planets in our solar system travel in big circles completely around it. Can you say it with me nice and loud? Sun! Awesome job!
So here's a fun question. How many planets actually travel around that big, bright sun? Let's figure it out and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No way! Exactly 8 planets in our solar system. Let's travel along and meet every single one of them.
And here comes our very first stop. This right here is Mercury, literally the closest planet to the sun. Now, it's pretty small, it's super rocky, and honestly, because it's so close to the sun, it goes around very, very fast. Zoom, just like that. Let's wave from our spaceship to this speedy little rock. Can you shout out a big hello? Ready? Hello, Mercury! All right, let's move along and see how this builds, because our next stop is Venus. Now, you might hear Venus called Earth's sister planet, and that's just because it's almost the exact same size as our Earth. But you gotta be careful here. Venus is incredibly bright, it is super hot, and it's completely covered by these really thick clouds. Let's wave to our bright, hot sister planet. Say it with me now. Hello, Venus! Oh, wow, look straight ahead. I bet you recognize this one. It's Earth. Earth has all this beautiful sparkling water, green land, fresh air, and so many amazing plants and animals. Honestly, it is absolutely our favorite place in the whole universe. And guess what? We literally live on Earth. It's our beautiful home. Come on, reach your arms out as wide as they go and give Earth a giant hug. Aww. Now let's say a big, warm hello to our home. Hello, Earth. Okay, next up on our journey is Mars. Mars is famously known as the red planet, and what's really interesting about this is you can see exactly why. Its whole surface looks completely reddish. It's packed with big mountains, steep valleys, and some very dusty land. Can you imagine putting on your space boots and walking on Mars? Step, step, step. Let's greet the red planet together, nice and loud. Hello, Mars. Whoa, look at the size of this one. This is Jupiter. And let me tell you, Jupiter is the absolute biggest planet in our entire solar system. It's literally so enormous that you could fit many, many Earths completely inside it. It even has this giant spinning storm right on the front. We call that the Great Red Spot. For this one, we need to use our biggest, deepest voices to yell it out. Ready? Big Jupiter! Oh, take a look out the window now. This is Saturn, and it's super famous for those absolutely beautiful rings. But did you know those bright rings are actually made of millions of tiny pieces of ice and rock? It's like a giant puzzle floating in space. Let's pretend to take our spaceship and fly all the way around Saturn's rings. Ready? Whoosh! Ooh, that was a fun ride. Let's joyfully wave to the ringed planet. Hello, Saturn. Brr. Next up, here comes Uranus. Uranus is this really beautiful blue-green planet, but it's kind of quirky. It spins in a very unusual way, almost totally knocked on its side. And let me tell you, you're going to want to wrap up warm in those spacesuits because Uranus is incredibly cold. Brr. Let's give a chilly, shivering wave to this freezing blue-green world. Hello, Uranus. And here we are, our very last planet stop, Neptune. Neptune is a stunning, deep blue planet. It's actually the absolute farthest planet from the sun, way, way out in deep space. And because it's so far out there, Neptune has some very, very strong winds. Listen.
Whoosh, whoosh. Better hang on to those space helmets in that wind and call out one final greeting to our last planet stop. Hello, Neptune!
You did an amazing job. We successfully met all 8 planets today. Let's celebrate by calling out the names of all our new friends super fast. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Woohoo!
Okay, now to really lock all these beautiful names into our memories, let's sing a fun, catchy little space song together. Don't be shy, sing right along with me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, near the stars, Uranus, Neptune, way out blue, 8 amazing planets for me and you. Fantastic singing, everyone.
All right, before we wrap up our explainer today, I've got one last pop quiz for all you smart little astronauts. Are you ready? Question 1. Which planet do we live on? Yep, that's right, Earth. Okay, question 2. What gives Earth all its light and heat? You hit the nail on the head, it's the sun. Wow, you are all absolute space experts now. Fantastic job, little astronauts. Our incredible space explainer is officially over for today, so it's time to take off our imaginary space helmets and safely put them away. Click! Great work. Now, let's initiate our final countdown to head back home to beautiful Earth. 3, 2, 1, blast off home. You did so great today, explorers. But you know, our solar system is just one tiny, tiny piece of the entire universe. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing, mysterious things are hiding out there in deep, dark space, just waiting for us to discover them? Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.